A meticulously manicured front yard features a winding stone pathway leading toward a modern white house. Lush green grass and spherical bushes create a pristine, sophisticated landscape. A beautiful, modern luxury house displays a gray and white facade with large windows. Surrounded by lush lawns and vibrant trees, the sunny scene exudes pure elegance. A serene, modern house features a dark roof, stone siding, and a covered entryway. Meticulously manicured lawns, vibrant bushes, and a winding stone pathway invite you inside. A grand estate showcases a winding gravel driveway leading to a stately brick mansion. Lush lawns, colorful flower beds, and mature trees glow under a golden sunset. A serene Japanese garden glows in late afternoon light. A stone pathway curves through lush grass toward traditional gazebos nestled among meticulously pruned shrubs and beautiful trees. A winding stone pathway leads through a beautifully landscaped garden toward a modern house. Spherical topiaries, dark pebbles, and vibrant grass create an elegant, tranquil outdoor atmosphere. A luxurious, modern house features a beautiful stone facade. Irregular flagstones form a pathway bordered by trimmed hedges and lush grass, showcasing a serene and inviting garden. A beautifully manicured front yard features a winding stone pathway approaching a modern house. Vibrant flowering plants, lush grass, and mature trees create a welcoming, serene landscape. A modern house with a light exterior and angled dark roof sits behind a winding stone pathway. Lush grass and vibrant trees enhance this tranquil suburban landscape. A beautifully manicured garden surrounds a contemporary wooden house. Dark gravel beds, vibrant moss mounds, and an irregular stone pathway blend harmoniously with tall emerald green trees. A beautiful modern house with white siding and wooden accents stands amid lush greenery. A winding stone pathway and manicured bushes create an inviting, sunny outdoor atmosphere. A beautifully landscaped garden features a winding stone path surrounded by lush lawns and abundant shrubs. A modern house and cozy gazebo complete this serene, idyllic landscape. A winding flagstone pathway with dark gravel borders curves through a meticulously maintained garden. Spherical topiaries and a modern wooden building create a tranquil, upscale outdoor space. A beautifully maintained suburban house features a curving flagstone pathway and lush green landscaping. Vibrant spherical bushes in dark gravel beds complement a rich lawn and daylight. A meticulously landscaped modern garden highlights a gently curving lawn and dark gravel beds. Spherical bushes, stone pathways, and a contemporary wooden building create a tranquil scene.